Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can store and receive USDT on your ledger. So first of all, you will need an Ethereum wallet installed on your ledger. So you go to manager, you unlock your ledger. Alright, you unlock it and then you press on allow manager. You click the button, the two buttons at once. It will take you to the manager. You make sure you have your Ethereum wallet installed. I have already have my Ethereum wallet installed. If not, you click on install. Don't worry if you don't have enough room to install it. You can delete some of your other wallets. Don't worry, your coins are safe. So you can just, for example, Bitcoin, you can delete this wallet and then reinstall it and it will be the same address, it will be the same Bitcoin, so don't worry. So make sure you have your Ethereum app installed. So then you enter receive. Make sure you have created an account, an Ethereum account. You can just add account and then have an Ethereum account and then follow up on the progress of all your coins. So receive, I'm gonna choose my Ethereum address, continue. You have to open the Ethereum app. Okay, application is ready. And this will be your Ethereum address. This is mine, of course, but if you do the same steps, you will receive yours. And this is the address to receive your Tether USD. So it's just your Ethereum address. So it's as easy as that. If you're looking for your other addresses, it works the exact same way as I just showed you. So it's as easy as that, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section below. Don't forget to read the video description for a lot of interesting information, and make sure to subscribe to the crypto mining channel, YouTube channel, as well as my other channels for more interesting tips and especially money making tips. So I hope to welcome you all soon on the crypto mining channel. I wish you all a great day and talk to you soon, guys. Bye bye.
Press the bell icon to never miss another update. Join the Bitcoin revolution.